to this tutorial on how to open master data from the voucher entry screen in Tally Prime. To begin, open Tally Prime and navigate to the voucher entry screen. Let's say you are creating a purchase or payment voucher and you realize the ledger or item you need is missing or needs to be edited. Instead of exiting the voucher screen, you can access the master directly. To create a new master, press Alt+C on the required field, for example, the ledger name field. This opens the Create Ledger screen immediately. Fill in the details and press Ctrl+A to save. You will be taken back to the voucher entry screen automatically with the newly created ledger selected. To alter an existing master, position the cursor on the field and press Ctrl+Enter. This opens the Alter screen for the selected ledger, stock item, or cost center, depending on context. Make your changes and save. You will be returned to the voucher screen without losing your progress. These shortcuts improve efficiency and reduce interruptions during data entry. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Tally Prime.